Okay, here's how to do a master lock. So that's regular. Enter the proper combination so it opens. And then turn it sideways like this. Push it down all the way and then turn it there. Now you can reset your new combination, whatever it is you want. And then just pull it up and lock it. And then that's the combination now. Perfect. Put it back to where it was. Great. Okay. Now, picking the lock. It's really simple. Amazingly simple. Okay, so all you do is pull down, put pressure on this so it's open, put open pressure on it, and then jiggle the numbers. You'll see jiggle the numbers. You'll see that they're really hard to move, all of them, if it's tension on there. For some reason that one's a little easier to move, but it's not easy. So you then push it in and then try it on each number. Pull it out, then jiggle. They're all stuck, so none of those are the right number. And then pull it out. Okay, then switch all the numbers. Put pressure on, jiggle. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh, that one moves really good. Okay, so that would be the last number there. Okay, so then push it back in, allow the numbers to move. Okay, pull out tight. They barely jiggle, so none of those numbers are right. This one still is right. Okay. That one moves good, so that's that number. Pull out. Okay. It moves half a way that way and almost a full one that way. Halfway each way, actually. And if that's the right number, but so the wrong number doesn't quite make it all the way on each side. Okay, so the right number all the way, I mean like to the tick of the next one, or the half. See, that moves really good, so that is the number, and that's it there. It's that easy to pick these locks. Thank you very much.